And there, but we have to make our voices be heard because we are there. We are good people are out there. The God's people are out there. So we have to make those communications and connections
We have to touch
to
them,
fulfill the destiny. There can be no destiny without the communication. You can never fulfill your destiny without communication.
Yes.
And I can see you have communicated eloquently to everyone. And I hope you allow me to share this with some folks because that's what ministry is all about.
My brother, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Yeah,
I want to share love and knowledge and it's a one black love. It's one black unity, you know?
Yeah.
Me not feel no way for you send it viral.
You know, I've met a lot of people in the States, and one of the biggest terms that folks would say or would remember from our country is one love.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah, man.
And that's why a lot of people love Bob Marley.
My God.
You know, because he was a messenger also.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
Whether it be Rastafari. So if you notice, Christ used everyone.
Everyone.
The Buddhist, the Rastafarian.
Yes.
You understand? So that is why we can, and that is why he never turned anybody away.
No.
He never say you Buddhist man, so I can't deal with you.
My God.
You understand?
Yes. He wants for everybody.
Yes, man.
My time for everybody.
Yes.
And as you were saying earlier about you could have built up a church or something. But
and just communication, man, the biggest part of the puzzle.
You know, so one of the disciples asked him, say, what can you do to get rich? Right? And you know what the Lord tell him, say?
Yeah.
Serve many. Because that's, do you not believe that you serve many? You have to serve many, you have to touch many lives.
There you go.
Once you serve many, there's going to be a spin-off.
Right.
Yes. Serve many. Be, in other words, the volume is what counts.
Yes. Yes. Because that is why he brought so many people together, you know, where he had so many people at one point coming to his sermons and whatever. He had to feed 5,000.
My God.
Hence he had to get the fish and the 5 loaves of bread and multiply it.
Yeah, nobody them couldn't get no food for bike when we like was out there whenever we lock up. And one little boy they carry him 5 barley loaf and 2 fishes and he bless it and it multiply. Yeah. Till them pick up 12 baskets a remnant.
So which shows you the power of the communication and the connection.
Yes.
Because all those 5,000 or however many people, there was connection there.
There was connection.
Not just between him and them, but between everybody there.
Yes.
You know, so that just shows the importance of us coming together. You know?
Coming together.
Yeah, man.
And that we need one
unity, man.
Unity as black people, you know. Yeah,
man. One love. We need the one love and we need the unity.
One big black glory. Yes.
It's it was a pleasure.
Yeah, where you from?
Well, I'm from Delaware. I'm Jamaican.
Delaware?
Yes.
Long time I don't hear that state.
Yes, man. Yes.
Because that state
the small one, the first state.
What I want to say, it's a state where they don't have a peace treaty. Something they sign on that state.
Yes,
but some war they go on that state, the Delaware and the Delaware River, whatever.
Yeah, man.
Long ago, the Delaware.
Yes.
I don't even hear that name like you used to somebody come from there. Seldom.
Yeah.
So I just a Delaware member. George
Washington and man.
We're
and the Delaware River.
Where Delaware is border.
So it's called the tri-state. So it's called the tri-state area. It's on the East Coast.
East Coast.
And it's the tri-state area. So we border Maryland, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, man.
So it's east.
Yeah, man.
So no industrial fishing.
Yeah, man. Lots. We raise a lot of poultry. Soybean.
Yes.
Crabbing. We have to do a lot of seafood because blue crabs.
Blue crab.
You know, from the Chesapeake Bay. You know, yeah, man.
Blue crab, a big
thing.
Yeah, man. Blue crab. I want some special crab them there now.
Yes, man. Yeah. Yes, man.
Blue crab,
the small one, man, it reminds me of Jamaica in a lot of ways because they're green. It's a lot of green space.
Certain things in the blue crab would I use to make one very special medicine.
Yeah.
Blue crab, yes.
Okay.
Blue crab, very important. The blue crab, the crab of blue crab. But crab on a whole is you have what you think your name? Holy. choline you find it in an egg too.
Okay, choline.
Choline, yes.
Yeah.
And that's you find it in egg as well. It's in crab. And there's a certain enzyme or a certain thing in your system when you I think it have been a lot of that tonight. In acetylcholine, I think, making the brain.
Okay.
It's like a neurotransmitter.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very
yes.
important piece.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Well, you have taught us so much today. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, man,
appreciate
no
your energy out there on the skateboard.
Yeah, no
Continue
problem,
do what you're doing, man, and
yeah,
God
man.
bless you, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
The Lord, that's
yeah,
really,
man. Respect, Ryan.
Yeah, Ryan.
Tapper.
Benny. Yeah, Tapper.
Yeah, man. Tapper. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And this we're doing a Tappertalks right now.
That's a Tapper, the football guy.
Yeah, man.
Tapper,
Yes.
So you're from Montego Bay originally?
No. I'm from Kingston originally,
Okay.
Mullines area.
All right.
Yeah,
I
man.
usually go through them places,
Yeah,
So I run
yeah.
taxi at Spanish Town.
Okay. Yes,
come
man.
from Watch and go Spanish Town. So we go Spanish Town, then we go in a town.
So you used to bring people to go communicate every day, eh?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, man. I remember them tire shops right on Mullines Road. Yeah, a long time ago for me. I left here at 16, but yeah, man.
Yeah. In the
so
60s you live here?
No, when I was 16.
16,
yeah,
okay.
so it's a pleasure to be back every time I come here, and yeah.
True. And at Delaware you did the whole time?
Yes.
My
yeah.
God.
No, I was in Pennsylvania initially, and then went to Delaware. Yeah, well, I lived there with my family.
Pennsylvania, what I said, Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love.
Brotherly love, yeah,
Yes,
man.
yes.
Yeah.
Pennsylvania, yeah.
Philly.
Philly. Like a Jamaicans live in Philly.
Yeah, man. A whole lot. A big community.
Big community. Jamaican community.
Yeah. So respect my brother.
Yeah,
Tell
man.
people your name again.
Benny.
The great Bennie. With Tappatalks. Yeah, the man. Get a little high five. Big
True. Respect.
So respect, man. One love. Take care, brother.
Yes.
All right. Cool.
Olympic team. So you're not the sports and team.
Yeah, man. Little like that, you know?
True.
All right.
Take care, man.
Respect.
Love every time.
All right.
Yeah. It's good that we could have come and we can touch base, you know?